Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy fruit platter. First, select a diverse range of fruits, aiming for at least 3 to 5 different colors to make your platter vibrant. Think about the occasion and the number of guests to determine the quantity. A good mix includes berries, melons, and citrus. Always wash your fruits carefully to ensure they are clean and ready for preparation. Next, it's time to prepare your chosen fruits. For larger items like melon or pineapple, cut them into manageable, bite-sized shapes, perhaps 1-inch cubes. Remember to remove any seeds from grapes or melon and core apples or pears. Using a sharp knife is crucial for safety and to achieve neat, appealing cuts. This step ensures every piece is easy to pick up and enjoy. Now for the fun part, arranging your fruit platter. Begin by placing your larger fruit pieces, such as melon or pineapple, to form a base or border. Then, strategically add fruits of contrasting colors and textures to create an appealing design. Think about creating sections or patterns. Finally, use smaller fruits like blueberries, raspberries, or grapes to fill in any empty spaces, making the platter look abundant and inviting. To complete your easy fruit platter, consider adding some finishing touches. A small bowl of a complimentary dip, like a honey yogurt blend or a cream cheese fruit dip, can be a wonderful addition. Garnish with fresh mint leaves or a few edible flowers for an elegant touch. Serve your beautiful platter immediately for the freshest taste, or you can chill it for up to 2 hours before your guests arrive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.